Hello, and good evening. I am Maya Chen, and you are watching WonderNudge, your daily update on artificial intelligence, future technology, and groundbreaking innovations. What if robots could practice their jobs in a virtual world before ever stepping onto a real factory floor? That is exactly what a new partnership between two major technology companies is trying to achieve. Robotics giant ABB has announced a new collaboration with AI computing leader Nvidia to make factory robots smarter and more accurate. The companies are using Nvidia's advanced simulation technology to train robots inside realistic digital environments before they work in real factories. In manufacturing, robots often learn tasks using simulations before being deployed in real production lines. But there is a problem. The virtual environments used to train robots often fail to perfectly match the real world. This difference, known as the simulation to reality gap, can cause robots to make mistakes or work less efficiently once they are deployed. To solve this, ABB will use Nvidia's Omniverse simulation platform, which creates extremely detailed digital environments. These simulations include realistic lighting, textures, shadows, and even physical factors like vibrations from nearby machines. By training robots in these highly realistic virtual factories, engineers hope the robots will perform more accurately, faster, and more reliably when they move into real-world manufacturing environments. The companies are already testing the technology with manufacturing giant Foxconn, a major electronics producer. These robots are designed to handle repetitive jobs in logistics, manufacturing, and warehouse operations. Even more interesting, the goal is to reduce the cost of deploying industrial robots, which currently ranges from about $40,000 to $500,000 per robot. If successful, this approach could transform the way industrial robots are developed. Training robots in realistic digital worlds could reduce development time, lower costs, and allow companies to deploy automation faster. It could also accelerate the growth of AI-powered factories, where robots handle complex tasks with greater precision. In the long run, experts believe robotics powered by advanced AI could become a multi-trillion-dollar industry, reshaping how factories operate and how products are made. And if robots can learn in simulations today, tomorrow they might train themselves for entirely new jobs. Thank you for watching WonderNudge. Stay curious and stay informed as we explore the technologies shaping our future. I am Maya Chen. This is WonderNudge, bringing you the future of technology and innovation. If you enjoyed this update, do not forget to like and subscribe.